Will the Trill here. I'm just catching my breath because I just brought this unit back upstairs. Whew. Good thing I'm still pretty good athletic health for this. But still, it's pretty challenging getting this unit up two flights of stairs, directly from the basement all the way up here. Just finished putting this unit back together. And this unit's all ready to go. I'm going to install it in the window for the 2026 cooling season. And it'll be ready to go. And she's in. Ready to go. Forget the ghetto fabulous install. Like always, it's the window itself. Don't blame me. All right. Happy 2026 cooling season coming up.